Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Today you are going to be watching Brandon make a fig tree branch shelf for our nursery. I will also be showing a final review of our nursery at the end of this video, so make sure that you keep watching so that you don't miss that. Brandon started the project by cutting two 1x6s. He also cut off the ends to make them smooth. Next, Brandon used a wood carving tool and a hammer to make a live edge. We really wanted to go with this style because it matches the rest of the woodland themed nursery style. Brandon used a bench vise to clamp the piece of wood in place and make it easier to make the live edge. If you enjoy our content and you would like to see more, make sure that you click the bell and subscribe to our channel so that you can see more videos in the future. After making the live edge, Brandon sanded it down and made it smooth. He also started to cut fig tree branches. Just a little plug, we've also used fig tree branches for making a twig heart 6 months ago. It was a Valentine's Day project. I will put that in the description below, as we are making very good use of Michele's fig tree. Next, Brandon used walnut stain on the two 1x6s, and then he also applied gloss polyurethane on the fig tree branches. Lastly, Brandon pre-drilled holes in the 1x6s so that he would be able to screw in the fig tree branches into the 1x6s. He started on both of the sides and then added the final fig tree branch in the middle. This is the final project that we are going to be doing for Bailey's room, at least for now. So we thought it'd be a good idea to share this final product with you. By the time that this video gets posted, she will actually already be here because I'm doing this a few weeks in advance in preparation for her arrival. We really hope that you enjoy this video and hope that you stick around to enjoy some more in the future. Take care and hope you have a great week.